Who says you can't do real work with a 44-year-old Rabbit pickup truck? I'm hauling some landscaping equipment here. This was a winter project. Got the 5x8 trailer I picked up. It's a carry-on trailer. And I got this nice Husqvarna YTH 2042 with a bagger. Yeah, that fits on there nicely, actually. Oh, but wait, that's not all. Picked up this little Troy-Bilt push mower, just a base model, and this Troy-Bilt blower. And the idea behind this video is not to show you all the equipment I got, because you can follow that on the other channel, but it's to show that the old Rabbit truck is actually capable of doing real work. A lot of people don't think so. A lot of people see a little 4-cylinder with about 78 horsepower and think that's just not possible, but I just did 60 miles round trip with this. Well, 30 miles down, 30 miles back with the equipment, and then here I've got it running because the letting it cool off here before I unload all this stuff. Till next time, my friends, take care.